Hi guys, so in today's video, na ako din sa mall, na ako mga gipamalit for Mikey. Since mahilig man siya drawing, napalit ko eraser, then scotch tape, markers, then crayons na Mickey Mouse. Since mahilig siya mag-color, then water pen, color pens and butanganan sa mga butanganan atong mga crayons, then art paper. Puno naman yung drawing book, so gipalitan ako siya bag-o. Then sa pamani whiteboard, so iputos na ko siya ani mga ma'am kay para marapit siya ka ng gift ba, gift type. Balikan niya ako mga gipamalit. Gift ni na mo sa iya, like reward kay na maintain niya iyang grades. She's doing good in school, so deserve niya makadawat gyud og reward. So share lang nako mga mem ha. Before mag-start na yung exam, amo na siyang gipangutana kung unsa iya mga gusto ipapalit sa mua.
Pwede pa sticker rin.
So, mo istorya na siya sa mga ganahan. Then, ako na din na siya ignon. If you do good in your exams, ma-maintain mo imong grades, kana imong mga gipangayo, amo nang ihatag sa imo. So, mauna mo ang pamaagi para ma-motivate siya na iyang tarungon ang iyang pag-eskwela. So, kada na siya pangayoon, then maayo yung performance, ani mangguni siya. Since nag-start ang klase ni Francine, na ko yung mga kondisyones na gipanghatagan na sa iya. Kung nindot kag performance, tagaan ko ni mong nindot na grado, naningkamot kasi mong pag-eskwela, naningkamot ka, nagtuon ka, ma-maintain mo imong grado, kana imong mga gipangayo, ihatag ko na. So, kay naningkamot man siya, bato na ko kung part, ako ihatag sa iya mga pangayo. Manang every after exam, routine na niya na maningil sa iyang mga gipangayo sa kuha. Kinaning kamot man siya, gibuhat man niya yung part para pud effective ta sa ila abana. Tinud-on day nila kung maning kamot ng jud mi. So, motivation po na para sa ilaha. So, nana ko sa school nilang Francine, kay nag-out na sila. Ang taon na to kung happy ba siya sa iyang madawat.
I have a surprise. So it's yours. Oh, hold it.
Hold it, mommy?
Yeah. Then out na. So, let me see. Are you happy? Salamat ya.
Mommy bought me a present. Okay.
Dali na. Let's go na. Let me see your face. Let's go. You open na.
Yeah.
Open.
Hi, with mommy, you buy me this.
Who give you that? Mommy and?
And Dada.
Yeah.
Mommy and Dada give me this.
Because why?
What is this?
Because why did Mommy and Dada give you that?
Because I do good in school.
You do good in school.
I
And
saw something in there.
yeah, sige na, you open na. Open it. Open here. No. Open this one like that. Sige, go. Open. Like that. Are you excited? Are you sure you're happy what's inside? Huh? Okay.
What?
Okay, get it one by one. What's that? It's a whiteboard
Yeah.
for painting. You like to draw, right?
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah. What's that? It's a... You put it here muna. It's a... What is that?
A green drawing.
Drawing book. Next.
What? Wow, cool. Good. What is this?
It's for...
Fork.
What? It's a cup for...
For water.
For crayons. For
Now
pencil.
I have a cup.
Sige, you open mo na so that you will know why I bought you that one.
Ooh.
Sige, go.
Sige.
There's another
What's that?
coloring markers.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse coloring markers.
Yeah. You're happy? Do you like it or not? Yeah.
Some different coloring pens.
That is for whiteboard.
Yeah. And,
And
eraser.
Eraser. There, for whiteboard. So, that's all?
Yeah, that's
What
all.
can you say about it?
Thank you.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Let me see the face of happy face.